8492. Airworthiness directives are issued primarily to A. Provide information about malfunction or defect trends. B. Present recommended maintenance procedures for correcting potentially hazardous defects. C. Correct an unsafe condition. The correct answer is C. Airworthiness directives, AD, are issued by regulatory authorities to correct an unsafe condition in an aircraft, engine, or other aviation component. ADs are mandatory and require the owner or operator of the affected aircraft or component to comply with the corrective actions specified in the AD in order to ensure the continued airworthiness of the affected product. ADs are issued when there is a potential safety hazard that needs to be addressed in order to maintain the safety of aircraft operations. ADs can be issued for a variety of reasons, including defects, malfunctions, or other safety-related issues. 8493-1, a supplemental type certificate, STC, may be issued to more than one applicant for the same design change, providing each applicant shows compliance with the applicable airworthiness requirement. 2. An installation of an item manufactured in accordance with the Technical Standard Order, TSO, system requires no further approval for installation in a particular aircraft. Regarding the above statements, A. Both 1 and 2 are true. B. Neither 1 nor 2 is true. C. Only 1 is true. The correct answer is C. First claim is accurate. A STC that covers the same alteration to an aircraft may be applied for by more than one individual. An STC has no legal protection because it is not a patent. Each applicant must provide documentation demonstrating that their modification satisfies all relevant airworthiness criteria. The second claim is untrue. For installation on a specific aircraft, a part made in accordance with a TSO needs specific permission. Despite the fact that the item was constructed in accordance with a TSO, it could not be appropriate or authorized for the specific aircraft. 8493-1. What does the acronym TSO mean regarding a type certificated aircraft part, material, component, and divided by or process? A. Training specific organization. B. Type supplement original. C. Technical standard order. The correct answer is C. TSO stands for Technical Standard Order, which is a minimum performance standard issued by the Federal Aviation Administration, FAA, for specified materials, parts, processes, and appliances used on civil aircraft. 8494. Primary responsibility for compliance with airworthiness directives lies with the A. Aircraft owner or operator. B. Certificated mechanic holding an inspection authorization who conducts appropriate. C. Inspections. Certificated mechanic who maintains the aircraft. The correct answer is A. Primary responsibility for compliance with airworthiness directives, ADs, lies with the aircraft owner or operator. It is their responsibility to ensure that all ADs applicable to their aircraft are complied with in a timely manner. However, certificated mechanics who maintain the aircraft and those holding an inspection authorization, IA, who conduct appropriate inspections also play a vital role in ensuring that the aircraft is in compliance with all ADs. 8495. An aircraft type certificate datasheet contains A. Maximum fuel grade to be used. B. Control surface adjustment points. C. Location of the datum. The correct answer is C. The technician must be aware of the precise position of this reference since the location of every component in an aircraft is measured from the datum, which might be anywhere the aircraft manufacturer selects. The details provided on a type certificate datasheet include the datum's position,